Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I always get the perfect eyebrow. Some people have asked me how I do my eyebrows, so I figured I'll just make a video and just show in depth how I'm able to achieve a perfect eyebrow every time. So if you like this video, stay tuned and enjoy. Alrighty, so these are the things that I use. I don't use too much stuff. This is the eyebrow pencil that I use. This is by Colormate. I'm not sure if you guys can really see this. It's by Colormate. I got this eyebrow pencil from the Dollar Tree. This eyebrow pencil is $1. I use this concealer. This is the Pop Fill Full Cover Concealer. I bought this from AliExpress. It was like $1. Color FC04. I don't know if you guys can see. FC04. So that is basically what I use. I don't do too much. I don't like to do a lot. I just use this to like comb my eyebrow first, and this is just like to start off, I just like brush my eyebrow upwards like this. Okay, so before you start drawing your eyebrow, make sure that you have a pointed end. You don't want your pencil to be blunt. I mean, it's not gonna really look good. So let's start. What I do is like I just follow my natural line. So the way my eyebrow is shaped, I'm just gonna follow the line of it on the top and on the bottom. That's basically all I do. You can make mistakes, don't feel bad, it's totally okay. You can always use this to correct. That's why it's called a concealer. It conceals the imperfection. Okay, so all I did was follow my natural eyebrow line, and I extended it just a little bit over here. So basically mine stopped right here, but I like to just extend it a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same for the top. But usually I don't go straight to like starting over here. I like to start from the middle, just because I don't want the start to be harsh. So I'm just gonna start in the middle and just follow my natural line too, and just cut it up and join it. That's all I did. Just join it. They slightly draw the tip. That way it's not harsh. Okay, that's all I do, and I just emphasize a little bit on this side. And so I'm gonna do the same for this one, and then I'm gonna fill it in. Do your eyebrow, make sure you're not pressing down on your brow. The strokes have to be light strokes at every point in time. That way your eyebrow doesn't really look very harsh. Again, I'm following the natural shape of my brow going. I just extended the brow again. I just extended that just like I did for this one. And we're gonna do the same thing for the top. Start in the middle over here and then join from the top slight. It's okay if you mess up. We have a concealer. So very light strokes going upwards. I'm just gonna fill in like on the inside like so. Just filling in a little bit more, going outwards like so. So we're gonna do the same for the other brow. Your eyebrows are probably never gonna come out looking the same, and that's okay, because I mean, I've heard people say eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, and I totally agree with you. All right guys, time to conceal. We're going to conceal. Before you even conceal, you need to have a flat brush. Like, you definitely need a flat brush. Like, something that is so flat, because that's how you're going to actually have very precise lines underneath your brow. I don't remember where this brush is from. I've had it for some time now, but you can get a brush anywhere as long as it's flat. Like it has to be like flat. So just take your time and and do this. And each time I have this amount underneath. So I'm just gonna clean up. I just use my brush to like clean up. And usually I do my eyebrow before I do my makeup. That way my foundation can, clean up also. So just clean around, clean around. Just take your time when you're cleaning from underneath. Just like slightly, so I don't mess up the lines. If you have a beauty blender, I have a beauty blender. Mine is I used mine already, so just use that to dab it. I just use this again, the brush, to brush it up. I'm just brushing so that my actual brow can fall in place. We're gonna do the same for this brow. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like with my makeup on. But if you guys want an in-depth makeup tutorial, you should follow my sister. Her YouTube name is Seer Supreme. I'm gonna link it below. You guys can follow her, show her a lot of support, like, share, comment, subscribe, of course, to her channel. But anyways, that concludes the tutorial for today. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for all of your support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.